My name is Lucas Aubert. I'm a solutions engineer at VertiGIS, and in this tech tip video, I'll be walking you through how to create sections and groups within VertiGIS Studio Reporting. VertiGIS Studio Reporting is often used to summarize groups of data, and if you've ever created a report with VertiGIS Studio Reporting, you've probably seen something like this, where the report formatting looks great at the top of the first page, but then because the formatting hasn't been grouped properly, there are elements that bleed onto the next page. Let's take a look at how to fix this. We'll start out by adding a group header band above the detail band to hold the title of the record that we are reporting on. And in this example, we're reporting on tax parcels. So I'll add the parcel identification number to the group header, and we then have to link the group header to the detail band. So we'll select object ID for the group by parameter. Next, we'll add a group footer band below the detail band, and we'll add a horizontal line to visually distinguish each record we're reporting on from one another. Now, when we run the report, we'll see that for every record we input, there will be a header and footer wrapped around the elements in the detail band. We can also see that even though we added a header and footer to help separate the records being reported on, the report elements are still bleeding off onto the next page. To fix this, we'll set the group union parameter within the group header to whole page to make sure all the elements within the group stay on the same page. And we'll also set the group union parameter within the group footer to with last detail to ensure that the horizontal line we added doesn't bleed off onto the next page. Let's run the report again. And here we can see that the tax parcels are properly grouped between the group header and footer. And instead of having content bleed off onto the next page, you can see that the tax parcel information stays neatly grouped together on the same page. That wraps up today's tech tip. Thanks for sticking with us. And if you found this helpful or learned something new, feel free to like, subscribe, and comment on what you learned below. And if you'd like to give VertiGIS Studio a try, go to apps.vertigisstudio.com for a free 60-day trial. Thanks everyone for watching, and stay tuned for more VertiGIS tech tips.